What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dellas coming to you again with another video. I hope you're having an amazing day so far. I got a special topic that I want to share with you today related to success, entrepreneurship, business mindset, and that topic is to fill in the gap. What I'm talking about here is really your ability to study and observe, what's going on in the world right now, what problems are people running into, and how can I how can I develop a team of people to create a solution to actually benefit other people. That's how you fill in the gap, right? So here are 3 tips I have to help you do this today in your life. Number 1 is to ask more questions. And really what that boils down to is being curious. When you're talking to people, just letting them open up, right? And listening to what they say. Relative to like their challenges, their fears, their ambitions, and what you do is you take notes and you'll learn a lot about possibly what area you can focus on to design a solution that may be beneficial to that person. Okay, so number 2 tip for filling in the gap is actually just to be hungry for knowledge. Being willing to learn anything you have to learn in order to fulfill the need of, of the client, the prospect you're trying to fill the need of for. But essentially this would be part of for yourself as well, just being hungry for wisdom and using the internet to its fullest potential to grab onto any skill that you want to learn. I mean, of course you have to apply it in the real world because that's a different type of experience. But I mean, while we're at home, why not, make a list of skills that you've been interested in learning and decide to maybe find some free YouTube videos or a course or anything like that so that you can further develop your value to others. And it's going to make you more effective in filling the gap as well. So my 3rd tip related to this topic is to deliver the goods. Okay, I'm a firm believer in The Lean Startup by Eric Ries, which introduces the idea of the minimum viable product, or MVP. And essentially what that means is delivering like the best functional product you can as quickly as possible so that you can get feedback from your customers. Now this is important because basically it saves you a lot of time from being a perfectionist, because your client is going to tell you, well, I didn't want this feature, I wanted this feature, I like this, I don't like this, and that's going to help you reshape what you've created. But I'm also a firm believer in shooting for excellence, honestly, and delivering the best possible product you can for your clients. So make sure you understand like the duality, right? Because if you're working with somebody that needs a project fast, then you want to have excellence but also be quick. But if you're trying to leave an impression for filling the gap, I do believe trying your best and putting forth your best foot forward will definitely give you an edge. So those are the 3 tips I have for today related to filling in the gap. My hope, my intent for you is that you will study what's going on around you and you will identify what opportunities are in this current market, and you'll adapt as necessary to fill in the gap and earn some income for yourself. So that's what I have for today. I plan to be back tomorrow. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. Also, comment and subscribe, and I'll be back with more in the future. Peace.